Welcome sa zip9.com. In this video, pag-aaralan natin kung ano ba yung limang postulates ni Euclid. So, kung nag-aaral kayo ng geometry ay malamang alam nyo na si Euclid ay siya yung nagsulat ng isang libro na ang title ay Elements, and that book, and in that book, Euclid unified geometry. So, dati kasi medyo kalat-kalat yung mga theorems. So, ang ginawa ni Euclid ay ginawa niya or dinevelop niya ang geometry in an axiomatic way. So, nagsimula siya sa mga definitions and of course sa common notions and itong mga postulates. 5 lang. So, dito lang nagsimula yung entire Euclidean geometry, yung pinag-aaralan nyo sa high school, yung mga triangles, congruence, similarities. So, dito lang yan lahat nagsimula sa 5 postulates na yan. So, tignan natin isa-isa. Yung una is a straight line. Straight line segment can be drawn joining any 2 points. So, this is the same as saying, kung meron kang dalawang points, kung meron kang dalawang points, you can join them by any segment. So, pwede natin siyang i-join pwede natin siyang i-join ng isang segment. Medyo hindi maayos yung ating drawing. I think may problema sa pointer. Anyway, sinasabi lang nito na given 2 points A and B, A and B, you can always join them using a segment. Okay, so you can join them using a segment. Okay, so any 2 points, gaano mo yan kalayo, gaano man kalapit. Theoretically, syempre, kung masyadong malayo, hindi mo siya ma-join physically, but theoretically, yan ang sinasabi ng elements, or of course, particularly the first postulate. What about the second postulate? Any straight line can be extended indefinitely in a straight line. Okay, so kung meron kang straight line, ito. Ito yung sinasabi niya dito is line segment. Pwede mo daw i-extend yan. So kung meron kang line, pwede mo siyang i-extend. Siyempre, kung saan man yan pupunta. So, pwede natin siyang i-extend doon. Hindi masyadong straight, but anyway, that's the concept of it. Pwede mo siyang i-extend as long as you want, or even infinitely, or indefinitely. Okay? Of course, in both sa kabilang direction o sa kabilang direction pwede. Number 3 is given a straight line segment. A circle may be or can be drawn having the same segment and one endpoint as the center. So basically, sinasabi lang nito, kung meron kang segment, pwede kang gumawa ng circle na hindi siya pwede dito sa ating drawing. Paintbrush lang kasi, Pwede kang gumawa ng circle na ito yung center niya, and then ganito siya kahaba. So, ang circle mo para siyang ganito, So, yan. I-trace ko lang kasi masusulatan itong ating number 5. Number 4 is all right angles are congruent. Yes, of course, if you have a right angle somewhere, and you have a right angle somewhere, so if this is a right angle, and this is a right angle, then those 2 angles are congruent. Lastly, ito yung pinaka-importante. Pinaka-last is yung tinatawag natin na parallel postulate. So, sinasabi dito sa parallel postulate na pag meron ka raw line, if 2 lines are drawn and a third in such a way that the sum of the inner angles, so meron kang dalawang lines, meron kang tinatawag natin na transversal, and then sinasabi mo yung inner angles is less than 180. So if this is angle alpha and this is angle beta, then alpha plus beta is less than 180. Ano sabi niya? Less than 2 right angles, ano? So ibig sabihin less than 180 na the two lines inevitably must intersect each other on that side if extended far enough. Sinasabi niya pag in-extend natin to somewhere, if the sum of these two angles is less than 2 right angles or less than 180 degrees, then these two lines, this line and this line, will eventually meet somewhere. So pag in-extend natin yan ng mahabang mahaba, somehow mag-meet itong dalawang ito. And I think this is obvious from the drawing. Well, equivalently, ito yung pagkakasabi nito pero parang ni-restate itong natin, tinawag siyang parallel postulate. Tingnan nyo, less than 180 Sa parallel postulate, equal sila. So kung meron kang line, two lines na parallel, if you have two lines that are parallel, hindi natin ma-perfect Maybe I should use the mouse instead of the pen. Okay, so kung meron tayong yan, line, and another line. Actually, strictly speaking, line segment siya, Kasi pag line naman may arrow siya. But anyway, if you have two line segments or two lines, and the sum of the inner angles is equal to 180. So pag 180 ito, 180 dito sa kabila. Then these lines are parallel. Parallel, ibig sabihin, kahit i-extend mo yan, no matter how long, those lines will never meet. Kabaliktaran siya nung isa kanina, So itong line, itong statement na ito, pwede mo siyang i-restate such that maging equal siya, So instead of less than two right angles, pwede mong sabihin na equal to right angles, and these two lines, papalitan mo to, must not intersect or will not intersect, no matter how long you extend, if this is equal to two right angles or equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So base dito sa 5 postulates na ito yung postulates ni Euclid. From these postulates and the common notions and definitions, nag-start nag-build on siya from these 3 postulates. Yung susunod na post ay gagamitin natin 5 postulates. Gamitin natin yung 5 postulates na ito to prove that a triangle is equilateral, yung triangle made up of radii of 2 congruent circles, So para makita nyo lang na nag-build on siya from these postulates. Okay, maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.